Okay. Wrong location. A bit too soon. Now to use the most notable glitch in the whole game. No. Sit back, watch them capture this weirdo, and then it goes from there. Ugh. By the Canberra, from Canberra Island, you shift along the coast. Now, you want your items to be at least in the 6th slot. I believe it's around here. Like the 6th, I think 9th slot is affected. So up on the coast. The rest of your mission though. Kill it. I would capture that, so you go to the bank. Yeah. Right now, core level 174, Red&B. The bank is directly impossible. And you think it would hit much harder. Let's just say you might encounter some strange Pokemon. Fun enough though, the Horsea was meant to be added in the 1st generation, but got scrapped for Generation 2, which was the sequel. Now you just kill this mission though. It dies in 1 hit. It has less than 1 health point. Now, in your bag, you should see this happen. This means you clone item. I would advise you keep at least 1 spare item in your PC storage unit if it's a one-time item. For instance, I keep my rare candies, master balls, and max aphters. And these fossils can be cloned too. It's short, but they are clonable. If I really want to, I could actually clone an infinite army of Aerodactyls and Onyx. No, that's not it. Ugh. It's been a while. Little snail thingy. I can just clone all infinite army of them. Okay, now for the fun part. Breeding City is the place that's the best place to get your natures in order. Take a PC box. Hopefully I have set the PC box 1. Nope. Deposit. Example being, you can clone moonstones, iron carbos, and all these other things. Carb. Yeah. You can clone your TMs, so you have to number them. Not worry about those things. Rare candies, you want to clone. And the Master Balls, you want to have in storage. In the event that you accidentally use them all, as you catch some Dittos, it's a good thing to have those things on hand. So if you lose the item, you still have the item. Otherwise, you can't get it back. Yeah, I have missing no one here. Wait, I have 2 missing no's? Troll. The fact is, you really want the rare candies for this as well. It's useful. If Dittos below level 36, it's useful. Example being, okay, let's see. Say I have my rare candies on hand, right? I got my rare candies right here. Okay, I use a rare candy. I use on this thing 3 times. At 37, I believe it should have. At least be at 60, I think. Yeah, 53. This is Amber Nature. Yeah, that's definitely Amber Nature, I believe. On the chart, but if I remember correctly, it is an Amber. So basically, if I want Amber Nature on the board, I would upgrade all these Dittos that are below 37 to the ideal nature. This is just an easy method, so I don't have to go for the stress of leveling them up individually in the grass to get the EXP combination I need to get it up. But this is a method. Once you know the numbers of Pokemon in the grass, you can manipulate it to your advantage. Basically, when you know that if you swap out Pokemon, you get less EXP. If you know the exact amount, you can calculate for it, meaning that you hunt out RNG. Go in the grass, you spam farm it until you get this other Pokemon that gives the EXP you need. In this case, I have a whole guide for that, which I will show you in a moment. Then you just change the box to say box 1. Pause it. My case is I'm looking for Amber Dittos. And the fun thing about this is, you are bound to get at least one, well technically one in approximately 40 Dittos will have at least 5 IBs. The fact that they have a 3% encounter rate, and that you can literally get them new ASP is freaking awesome. 3% encounter rate, that is way higher than what you will get if you use it, I don't know, Pokemon Yellow. The highest percent chance there is like what? I think it's approximately maybe 15% max was in the freaking cabin where you find Mewtwo on the bottom floor. Otherwise, it's like a 10% chance or less. Let's change the PC box back. Don't worry about that anyway. Okay, let's see. Where's okay, this is a 38. Calculation for this. Security status. It's terrible. Let's see, 38. At this point, if he gets exactly 6 points of EXP, it has Amid Nature. If he gets exactly 8 points, it becomes a Mold Nature, and so forth and so forth. So how about this last visit? Now, if I'm on the grass and encounter a thing like a little paper. Okay, it's level 3 pissy. And after I swap my Pokemon out. I think it's 6 points. What's it for? Yeah, let's wing it. The fact is, you should probably save the game before you enter the tall grass. That way, you don't screw up. In this case, I screwed on 5 points, but it's not a big deal. 5 points, meh. In a sense, if I had to swap out again, it would have been 4 points, not the 5. Piercing odds are odd number. Most of the time, they're odd numbers unless you swap out so many times, and then that might become even. Otherwise, Rattata would have even numbers. For example, this thing I kill it, I believe I get maybe 24 points, I think. That's my chart, as I made. It's gonna be in the description. The description of my chart, the description of this video, and the video will have a chart, or 2 charts. One for the EXP equals what nature, 1 chart for, well, the EXP gains per kill. Yeah, 24 points exactly. So basically, yeah, 29 points, which brings me to 1. So basically, it's a carbonation. So if he gets 2 points, it's Amid now. If he gets a few other points, if I can find level 2, okay, good. Then you swap out. Best part is, this route, the Dittos can KO these things. They can knock them out in 1 hit. Anywhere else, it's more difficult. This method works with any Pokemon, not just Ditto. I just use this as an example because these things are perfect in the world of Pokemon breeding. They are perfect. I mean, these things, in Trading Bank, they have 3 IVs maxed out to do 1. With a good chance of at least 4 to 5 IVs by default. If lucky. So the last 3 IVs are random. But now random, I think they're based on DVs. Just on down values. Yeah, it's just 3 points like that. If I had a 5th Pokemon, there would have been 2 points. Well, 6 Pokemon. Anyway, it isn't bad. I believe at the 4th mark. This paper's useless. Yeah, everything's on 2 seats. You might lose the other one. That's fine. I got backed up my computer somewhere. Yeah, basically I'm gonna leave you 2 sheets of paper. 1 description, 1 edge. The video. Both for it's are useful. They're both useful. You can print out the ones in a description, print them out, look at them, use them as you get the natures you want. This is good if you want to say, I don't know, maybe a modest Mewtwo. If you want less than an ideal nature, I would advise this. Use rare candies, get it to level 99, then grind the nature out, but make sure you see the game as you grind for the nature you want. If it's a level 100, the nature is fixed. So if I would say, let's say, put this in Pokemon Bank, since these are 0, its nature I believe is hardy. This is crap. So it's pretty much a crap mon. But some Pokemon are lucky enough to have decent nature. In this case, it's just one of them. Otherwise, if you're in Pokemon Yellow, this method is not that useful to you. I mean, the cave on Route 24, in the water around here, basement floor 1, where you find Mewtwo, you got a 15% encounter rate. Otherwise, I would advise Route 23. That's about all I can advise. Hope you enjoy the video as much as I have. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to find a Ditto. Old map, there it is. Okay, Route 23 for red, green, or blue has a 30% encounter rate for a Ditto on Route 23. If you're using Pokemon Yellow, the highest chance you have of encountering a Ditto is in the Mewtwo cave. On basement floor 1 is a 15% encounter rate. It's the floor where you encounter Mewtwo. Otherwise, your only option is to just go to the volcano well here. The mansion on Cannibal Island can easily yield you a Ditto. It's just a very bad grind. It's about 10% encounter rate. It's terrible. Here is more common, as I'm gonna show you. And plus, red, blue, and green, this is a perfect method for Ditto nature grinding. If you're interested in having Dittos for use in eggs. Basically, the way I do this is simple. Okay, good. This would be a Ditto. Level 23. Yes, we use a Master Ball. If a number of them. You catch it. Oh, this is a very good method if you're interested in getting a bunch of Dittos. These things all have imposter, and the nature is decided based on their last 2 EXP digits. For example, if I was to transfer my Charizard, to Pokemon Bank, it would have a timid nature due to its 60 EXP points at the end. So, yeah, basically a pretty good method. Dittos are very common. There's about 30% encounter rate. That makes them pretty much uncommon. Not common, but uncommon. So catching 20 of these things in red, blue, or green is a freaking easy time. this to be another one. Nope. And a sparrow. Yeah, it's a pretty low chance, but it's not that low. If you're doing this at the freaking island over in Mansion, Cannibal, you would have a difficult time. It's because it's only a 10% chance there. Wait, yeah, this is 30%. I mean, that's 30% ain't that great, but it's still higher than 10% or 15%. It's practically double than what Pokemon Yellow has to offer. Personally, I don't plan to transfer too many Pokemon over to Pokemon Bank unless I have them on hand. If I can recapture it, then yes, then sure, transfer the bank. If I can recapture, I'm gonna hold on to it, at least on one game. Cause I got a feeling that when the gold and silver come out for the BC, they're going to include the transfer system, like Generation 1 had for Generation 2, where you transfer Generation 2, then back to Generation 1. If that happens, I'm set. My goal for that is this. I get a Ditto. I transfer Ditto to Pokemon Gold or Silver, or captured in Gold and Silver. Then I transfer Pokemon that I can't normally acquire, and then breed in Gold and Silver. The nature system would probably function the same. So Pokemon like the starters or evolutions, I could easily just keep hatching eggs there. It's probably not a good idea, but you know, I'd like to have duplicates so I can keep the main storyline Pokemon. I don't like transferring Pokemon completely out of the game. I like keeping my core 6 I love the game up with in my party all times. Just nice have it that way. And if I want Pokemon, I can just go there, capture it. But I guess in this case, I have freaking Master Balls. Doesn't he care about it? Probably not. I'm just gonna cast about 5 of these things. And I'm just gonna say the method. I'm just gonna